Hello friends, today I am making this pattern. This is very simple and very beautiful pattern, very good for baby's blanket. See the pattern. Beginners also make this. So very beautiful pattern. This is back side. Front side is very beautiful. I am showing you how to make this. For this I am taking this 3-number hook. Let's start. Now I am making chains like this. Making the chains. How width you want, make the chain. How width you want, may take the measurement and make the chain. This is the chain. Now making here one chain extra and pricking here in the chain and making single crochet like this. Pricking here and bringing the yarn inside and making single crochet like this. When you're making single crochet, make it slowly. Like this. Like this. Make the single crochet in full row. Now here this single crochet row is finished now. Now making here 3 chain and turning this side and yarn on, and here skipping one chain, going to next chain, making here half double crochet like this. Yarn on in the same hole like this and half double crochet in the same hole and half double crochet. 4 half double crochets in the same hole like this. This is half double crochet 4. This is one chain. We made here chain. That's ring is this. This is the 4 rings half double crochet. Now making yarn on, making them 1 here and locking them and make one chain. Now next here 1, we are skipping here one chain, going to next and make here half double crochet. 1 half double crochet, yarn on in the same hole, second half double crochet, yarn on in the same hole, third half double crochet, yarn on in the same hole, this is 4th half double crochet like this. Now making them 1 and locking here and making one chain Now here yarn on and skipping one chain here, going to next chain, making half double crochet, yarn on and same hole and taking the yarn inside and making half double crochet. Once again yarn on and making same hole, bringing the yarn inside, making half double crochet. 3 half double crochets here, one more, half double crochet. Now 4 rings of double crochets and one is, make them all together 5 rings here, make them one, lock them and make one chain like this. Make the full row like. Now this row is finished. Now see the row, see the pattern. Now making here one chain and turning this side and making here in the holes, see the holes here, in the holes we are making single crochet and one chain, in the hole single crochet and one chain, single crochet and one chain, full row like this. Single crochet and one chain like this. Now this row is finished. Now here, now making next row, here making 3 chains and now turning this side, here in the hole, see here holes, in the hole we are making 4 half double crochets, 1, 2, and 3, and this is 4th one. All together making one ring and locking it and one chain. Now yarn on, we are going to next hole, here we are making half double crochet, yarn on, taking the yarn inside and making half double crochet, yarn on, same hole, bring yarn on and same hole, bringing the yarn inside and making here half double crochet. Last one, making here half double crochet, make them one and lock it and one chain like this. This pattern is moving till end of the row. This row is finished. Now making next one chain and turning this side, here in the hole see the holes here, here and here. So in this hole making single crochet and one chain, single crochet and one chain, like this. Single crochet like one chain. Like this, and finishing here like this. Like this pattern is moving. See, like this pattern is moving on. So if you like this pattern, tell me in the comments, and don't forget to like my video. Please subscribe my channel, support my channel by subscribing my channel, and thank you for watching.